Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you what are the best prop firms for options trading. So the first one is the Maverick Trading, and with the Maverick Trading, it's like a strong orientation towards options. So this is like for the option trading. That is great, like option prop firm trader capital keep 65 to 90%. And you have like great educational support and structured risk management approaches. So if you're looking for option trading and if you want to like kind of like the discipline there, this is a way to go. Now this is also like higher entry training requirements. It operates like more a career desk than simple challenge. So that's something that you have to be aware of. Also, you have like the cost there too, so that you have to be aware of. And the trading style may more be structured, so it's like less freestyle, and that's something that you kind of have to be aware of. Then another one is called Vanquish. So with the Vanquish, it's marketed also as the option and stock prop firm, and also the site looks great, and you have the challenge to live in a record time. You have like the stocks here for the options, and you have like 50,000, 100,000, etc. And there you see also like the cost here, the options account, and the cost here. Positive recent reviews. So some people got it like the evaluation in 7 days. And the cons, it's kind of like new thing here. So it's like a new thing on the market. That's something that you kind of like have to be aware of. Also, maybe like the integrity. So this is something that you can like check out for yourself and check their kind of like the Instagram and what they're up to, or like message them on Discord and see for yourself. And then higher risk of unknowns. So it's less established, but the site looks good, and also it's clean. There's some positive reviews. But again, you just have to be like kind of aware of, all right? Then you can have also the funding training. That you can have like identify as one of the few firms supporting stocks, options funding specifically also in the US. So you see right here that you can have like two-step or instant funded, and you have like 10K, 25K, 200K. Then also it's primarily for the US and may have fees, coaching costs. So that's something that you have to be aware of. And let's say we're gonna go for like 10K here. It's like $99. So all got like these costs. But funding traders is another one that you can like check out for yourself. Then also you have like DNA funded or like FX2 founding. So this is another one. This is like rapid payout, and also it got history, Trustpilot review. So this is something that you're gonna actually get here. And the cons, so it got like the support is like multi like long-term options, OTC options. It can be like less clear, and you need to check. And you're in options funding space comparing to more established props. And you have also like the trade rules like holding period, assignment risk, dividends for options, and things like that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.